Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today I have taken a new video like every day. Today our video topic is how to get wrinkles-free face at home. Before starting, I want to say please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. At first, take a clean banana. Peel off the banana. Now grate it by a spoon. Then add 1 tablespoon honey. At least add 1 tablespoon Vaseline. Mix it well properly. Ready for use. Apply on your face 3 to 4 times in a week before 1 hour of bathing for better result. Friends, see you again for next videos. Friends, thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.